Hi guys, this is Vikram here from VTech Service. Today I am going to unboxing a Strontium pen drive I am got from this ebay.com. So let's start. I am going to unboxing it. Okay. So guys, this is this is called the company I just tell you. This is called Nitro Plus. This company is Strontium. This is a very small pen drive, and you can see here I just going to repack this. So this pen drive comes from Type C USB connectors. It is also the compatible with USB 3.0, 32 GB on the go Type C USB 3.0 pen drive. So I just going to cut these things from here. Here is the cut marking here. Now I have cut this. As you can see here, I am just open this pen drive. It's looking a very tiny. I mean to say that this is a very small pen drive, and you can use this. This is made from metal. This is made from metal, and this is the Type C connector. As you can see here, this is Type C connector. And here is a 3.1 USB connector. This is a very small pen drive. You can also transfer your copy and data very fast. I like this pen drive. Guys, this pen drive is made from metal. First I'm thinking before I'm ordering it, I just feeling this is made from plastic, but recently I have checked this pen drive. It's made from metal. It's really amazing, and here is a Type C connector is really also made from metal. So guys, this is a very powerful pen drive, and as you can say that this is a pen drive is made from metal, and I like this pen drive. So that this is my good opinion for customer who is buying this pen drive. It's really good. Thank you for watching. This is from signing off VTech Services. Thank you so much, guys. I buy this product within for 1590 rupees only. So it's really good pen drive. Its price is 1590 only.